GoPro. Alright. The Baton Death March. Hey, Chapo! Hey, Chapo! Is that all? The Chapo escaping. No. GoPro, say hi.
Wait, is it even recording?
Isn't the entrance over there? No, I'm not going straight. I'm taking the trail. How do we do that, dude? Maddie doesn't pitch. I mean, doesn't bat. Holy shit, dude. I don't know why I said that, but where's that out here? I got the GoPro on. Let's go. Hey, here. You guys run by here. Hey, yeah. GoPro. Hey, GoPro. Say hi. Yeah, it's on.
I'm not gonna put it down, dude. Oh, jeez. Hello.
You guys brought your phones?
Hello, camera.
Yeah. Yeah. So we went 3. So. Where's Maddie? I thought Maddie was coming. She chickened out. Oh, holy crap. Oh man, the burn! My legs are burning. My ass hurts. Oh. There better be a 7-Eleven up on top. Holy shit. You guys gotta stop messing around and play like this all the time. So I don't have to do this. Holy shit. You dumbass. Holy shit. My legs are burning! Three. I'm going back down. I can't do it. You guys stand all right there. So the GoPro can get all you guys. Come on. Come on. There. Okay. Yeah, Angel, go take somebody give him a phone. Well, I think I have mine here. All right. Hey, little Chapo, take it easy. So what? No, this is just pictures. Can you get me? All right, do it. All right, now go. Somebody text somebody. Go. Bring the frickin' truck. Who has a? Am I in it?
Yes, everyone's in. He got it.
All right, send it to me.
Good. You can't see the
What do you mean you can't send it? Take a picture of that.
You can't see the field.
No, it doesn't. You can't see the field. Yeah.
Watch out for snakes!
No, even in radio.
Oh my God. There's a wrong idea. What's gonna happen?
Yeah, hey, don't ask the snakes, so you're gonna
That was a big hill. That's a big hill to climb for these girls. You know.
How we getting down again?
3 pictures. 3 different pictures. Oh, we're going for those tall ones, baby. We gotta check back in.
We're staying at the hotel across.
We gotta check back in. Oh, I can't believe they did it, man. And it was 3-2. That first one.
The first one, it was the one like
3-2. Then what? Margot won 6-0.
no 6-0. It was
The
a
other one.
mercy.
6-0 and 5. 8-0. 8 and 4. So Taylor had 15 more pitches. Hey,
She got the full game win, huh?
and the pitcher only pitched one. Hey,
Game each.
Tony. Oh, better not say
They were
something.
not used to that fast speed. They were like
Yeah. He goes, wait a minute. How you guys get a fresh pitcher? All right, for the 3rd game. Yeah.
yes.
Dude, the brackets. Look what the other team.
Undefeated.
West Grove, the Garden Grove, the Cadenas. That's their pitcher in that team. That team's 6-0. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Is where do you end up? You gotta be some luck.
The team that beat us. Sidewinders are still playing. Right? They're playing right now.
Yeah, they're right there.
Playing against
So I think we have to find. I think we played the loser of one of those 2 games here.
they're both still winning. No, the Sidewinders.
No, they lost.
Yeah, so
So
we're only going to play somebody coming down from the upper.
okay. Oh, yeah, that's true.
There's what? There are going to be 4 teams up there. And
Oh yeah.
down here.
So it could be the loser of that game then.
No, whoever loses goes home. No, I don't think we're going to play. We should be in opposite brackets of the Sidewinders.
Yeah.
Each of them. I mean, we're going to play a winner comes down. A winner gets to come down and play a loser.
All right.
So Sidewinders.
Hey, where you going? Is it?
Go down, and when it goes off the side,
Does it go down? Oh no, sign that.
we're going this way. Switch back.
Hey, get over here. I'm gonna definitely slide on my ass. I don't have good traction. All right, if we win it, if we go tomorrow, win then 3 in a row, we'll go fishing. It'll be a lot easier. Back to the silver legacy. Poissons. The beer's gonna taste good. Hey, there's a lot of snakes. Come down. Hey, there's a lot of moose around here. Let's go. There's probably giraffes. Aliens. It's coming down really fast. What's up, Jules? All right, hey, would you help an old man coming down? Right? What the heck, man? Leaving all stranded there. We need a win in case I freaking get lost. Oh my. Jay, where are you going so fast? Oh no, I wouldn't want, no, she can't. Taylor, no, she's got ice. She almost threw the maximum maximum number of pitches. So she's got ice. Now today was a good day. We gotta play that song. That song that says today was a good day. Who plays that song? Said today was a good day. Hey, which was that song? Put it up so we can put it on the... Is it Ice Cube or is it Dre? I think it's Ice Cube. Today was a good day. No one got shot. Yeah, right? You find it so we can put it on our... There it is. That's our song right there for today. Oh, Houston. Yeah, I thought it was alright. We only gave up 2 runs. Yeah, you got to work on those. Those are not great bunts. You got them down. Yeah, yeah. You were like cue balling those balls. Man, with the 2 shutouts. Hey, little Chapo. Because little Chapo knows how to escape. We play like this, but we'll win you Triple SA. And we'll see what happens with this one. Back down. And pitch, and throws a shutout. And throw. Oh, that infield hit? That's a condition and stuff right there. Yeah, that's no nachos. That's all conditioning. Because it goes down, see? Yeah. All I'm getting is a booty! Remember that? Booty!
Easy little step.
So go turn the radio thing on and put that song on. Throw it away, man. I need this. Yeah, I gotta drink this. Positive. I need electrolytes. 1, 0, everyone, go. There it is. Oh, the heart monitor's going. It's 180 over 200.
You want to go to Buffalo Wild Wings?
Right now?